I command this laptop into blue color. Just wait few seconds. This AI tool convert into blue color in a few seconds. Wow, this is already blue color. Then I want to change this dress. Just keep then red dress. Wow, this AI tool suggested me 4 images, each one by one different into other pictures. You can see 4 different. So I want to keep it. So if you want to learn more information and others in this video, please keep watch full video. Don't skip in a second. My name is Kalam and I am from Bangladesh. In this video, I am totally explore you Adobe Firefly beta. It's absolutely free. You don't need any payment. Just you need to log in using your email or Gmail. That's it enough. At first, go to google.com, then type Adobe Firefly. You can see this is a website. You can change text to images, generate a field, text to text effect, then generate ray color, 3D to image. That is available in the future. So now available in 4 type of service. So this video I am totally explore you generative field, how to convert and edit AI images using AI. Is completely free. You don't need anything. Just upload. You can upload any photo, your own photo and others photo. This doesn't matter. Then I convert it this photo. Wow, I want to change this hair color. Just I command you convert in just command it, then wait a few seconds because this is a processing time. You must be neat. Wow, you can see this is really nice. So this is a more attractive from others photo. Wow, so I really like it. So I want to change. This is a face actually. So I this now I command you to make a girl face age of 15. Just command to this Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly actually launched a few months ago, and we know, wow, this is really attractive and 15 years old look like. And Adobe Firefly launched a few months ago. Already millions users have Adobe Firefly. So if you want to more video now, if you want to download this video, just go to download. Here is this download button. Just download it. So if you want to more video about this type of a chat GPT AI making online, how to use AI and etc. If you have any questions, please comment below. I want to try reply any comment, every comment. So see you next video. Thank you. Tata.